There has been a growing controversy surrounding Chainsaw Man, one that many say is unintentionally giving even more spotlight to Fujimoto's so-called perverted mind. Recently, a group of online investigators claimed to have uncovered something that had long remained buried in the depths of the internet. According to them, the situation traces back to an adult video from over a decade ago, and they believe it may have an unexpected connection to Fujimoto. Their argument centers on striking similarities between the actress in the video and Fujimoto's creation, Reze. The most obvious resemblance lies in the attire, though many initially brushed it off as coincidence. But then came the detail that set the theory on fire. The actress's name is Hazel Rose, a name suspiciously close to Reze. This has led some fans to speculate that Hazel Rose may have been the muse behind one of Fujimoto's Picasso. The theory has opened the floodgates to further speculation. If one such hidden inspiration existed, could others be lurking in the forgotten corners of the internet, quietly shaping Fujimoto's imagination?